Good morning everyone. Today we're gonna start with this short answer type question 20 part 1. If the length of square is increased by 10%, then what percentage of the area of square will be increased? So therefore let the side of square is x centimeter. So area of square will be, we know the area of the square is side square or side into side, therefore x into x equal to x square centimeter square. Now square side of square increased by 10%. So therefore side increased x into 10 by 100 equal to x by 10 centimeter. So therefore new side will be x, the previous initial side is x and the side increase is x by 10, so the new side will be x plus x by 10, so equal to 10 is the LCM, so 10x plus x equal to 11x by 10 centimeter. So therefore new area will be side into side, so 11x by 10 into 11x by 10 equal to 11 into 11 121 x square and 10 into 10 100 centimeter square. So therefore new area will be 121 x square by 100 centimeter square. Now we're gonna find what area is increased. So area increased this is the new area and the previous area is x square, so 121 x square by 100 minus x square, LCM should be 100, so 121 x square minus it's 1 into 100 100 into x square 100 x square, so 121 x square minus 100 x square 21 x square by 100. So therefore required percentage will be area increase 21 by x square by 100 by x square, the initial area into 100. So we're gonna say that 21 x square by 100 into x square into 100, cut down 100 and 100, x square and x square, so the answer is 21%. Very important sum in our syllabus here. Sum number 2, it's also very important. If the length is increased by 10% and breadth is decreased by 10% of a rectangle, then what percentage of area will be increased or decreased? So now let length be A and breadth be B centimeter. So therefore area will be, we know the area of the rectangle is length into breadth, so length into breadth means A into B, so area equal to AB centimeter square. Now new length equal to, previously in our previous sum when side increased by 10%, therefore the new side equal to x plus x into 10 by 100, that's why here I discuss the thing. So same here, first length is increased by 10%, so therefore a plus a into increased by 10% means 10 by 100, and new breadth should be a minus a into 10 by 100. This should be 11a by 10. Sorry, it should be b. It should be b. The breadth is b. So the new length is 11a by 10 and new breadth be 9b by 10. So therefore new area will be length into breadth 11a by 10 into 9b by 10. So 11 into 9, 99, a into b, ab, and 10 into 10 means 100 centimeter square. So this is a simple fraction which is less than 1. So therefore area decreased. So therefore area decreased AB minus 99 AB by 100. So the LCM is 100. Should be 1 into 100 means 100. So 100 AB minus 99 AB equal to AB by 100 centimeter square. So therefore area decreased percentage equal to area decreased AB by 100 by the initial area which gonna be AB equal to AB into 100. So therefore AB by 100 into AB into 100. Cut down these two, this. So therefore the answer is 1%. So the required percentage is 1%. If the length of perpendicular, this is sum number 4, if the length of perpendicular from the intersecting point between two diagonals on any side of square is 2 root 2 centimeter, then what is the length of each diagonal of a square? So first of all, here first we have to draw a square. So this is an square and this is the diagonal. This is A, B, C, D. This is O. Now said that from the intersecting point between two diagonals, so this is the point O, this is the intersecting point of two diagonals AC and BD, on any side of square a perpendicular is drawn. So therefore this is the perpendicular OX, and if so we can draw the same perpendicular here. In that question given as OX perpendicular on CD or OY perpendicular on AB, and OX equal to OY equal to 2 root 2 centimeter, it's given. So therefore this is 2 root 2, this is also 2 root 2. Therefore we can say that XY equal to XY means this plus this, so OY plus OX, so both are 2 root 2 centimeter. So 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 equal to 4 root 2 centimeter. So if XY equal to 4 root 2, therefore the side it's also 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2, 4 root 2. So therefore we can say that AD equal to AB equal to BC equal to CD, all the sides of this square is equal and the length of this square is 4 root 2 centimeter. So we know the diagonal of the square is root 2 into side is diagonal of a square. So therefore diagonal equal to root 2 into side. Side means 4 root 2. So 4 means 4 here, root 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 multiplied. So therefore we got 2. So 4 into 2 equal to 8 centimeter. So diagonal should be 8 centimeter. Area is 60 square centimeter. So what is the length of each diagonal? So therefore the perimeter of a rectangle is 34 centimeter and area is 60 square centimeter. What is length of each diagonal? So first of all, perimeter equal to, perimeter means 2 into length plus breadth, which gonna be 34 centimeter. So therefore we can say that length plus breadth equal to 34 by 2 equal to 17 centimeter, and area is 60 square centimeter. So area means LB equal to 60 centimeter square. Now what is the length of each diagonal? So diagonal of rectangle, we know that formation, diagonal of a rectangle is root over L square plus B square. So this is very important. How do I convert it into the diagonal of a rectangle? You see, L plus B whole square, A plus B whole square means A square plus 2AB plus B square. So therefore L plus B whole square equal to L square plus B square plus 2LB. We just arrange the sequence. So therefore we know that L plus B equal to 17 centimeter. So we can write that 17 whole square equal to L square plus B square plus 2LB. 2LB means 2 into LB means 60. So 2 into 60. 17 whole square means 17 into 17. It should be 289. And this, if we put down in the left hand side, therefore from right hand side to left hand side, if it goes on, the sign should be changed and the sign should be from plus, it should be negative or minus. Minus 60 into 2, 120 equal to L square plus B square. So 289 minus 120, it means 169 equal to L square plus B square. If we're gonna square root of this, so therefore we're gonna get 13 equal to root over L square plus B square. Square root both side. So therefore here we find that root over L square plus B square is equal to 13 centimeter. We know the formation of the diagonal equal to root over L square plus B square. So therefore diagonal equal to 13 centimeter.